Millermatic 140. We have a simple problem here, and I see this enough to where it's slightly alarming, but I mean, this person, I don't remember who the customer was. It could just be a guy who's recreational welder. Got the tank here. You got your flux core wire, and they had the polarity for non-flux core. So that tells me they switched the wire. I don't know. They could have just had the tank for a long time, or I don't know. There's a lot of different scenarios, but they had their direct current electrode positive. You know, the lead from that goes to the gun was on the positive instead of the negative. And this is the type of weld that you get. This one right here. You can see it's pretty bad. But once you switch it over to electrode negative, you get what it's supposed to be. And that's all their issue was. Yeah, they could have previously been using the steel wire, or let me think. Not sure. Different scenarios. Hard to know what people are thinking these days, but yep, simple fix. Catch you guys later.